limit, but we will choose a few messages. No, he will choose a few messages na babasahin natin. So, let us choose the messages that your fans have given you. I-manifest nyo na na mabasa yung mga messages ninyo. Can you choose two? How many do you want to choose though? Two. Two is okay.
How many? 6?
Huh?
2.
Two.
6 na eh.
6? 6. Okay.
Okay.
Choose 6.
Oh my gosh. Basta-basta na manikas din. Pick it first. Before we read. Ay, ang haba na. Better to be. Okay. Can you read it out loud?
Uh-huh.
Okay.
No. That's it together.
Okay, together. Ang dami guys, ang hirap pumili. Meron pag hindi nakapag-iwan ng letter, ng message. Next time.
Ang inis.
Kasi binabasa talaga niya bago niya piliin.
Feel a touch.
Oh yes, of course. You get to keep all of it. There's a lot below as well. Saan ba? Taas? Gilid? Baba? Saan? There's also here, on top. If you want it. 6 pala. 6 pala ang pipiliin natin. Sino ang gusto mapili ni Sinuntasan pala? Kasi alam niyo guys, pag napili kayo, personally, Jinyong will give you a gift as well. Here on stage, he will hand you a gift. So let's hope. Let us hope. Aha, two more. Woo! Hindi kasi nababasa ako, hindi natatawa ako. Ay, tignan. Ayan, talagang iniisa-isa niya. First time yun ha? Usually, pinipili niya lang isang ibabaw eh. Ba't ito talaga binabasa niya? Ayan. And last,